Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO Cronos. Yeah, we have moved down quite strongly in line with the crypto market here. So as you can see here, we had this ascending trend line of the channel on the chart, and we've basically come back exactly to that level. So that was a good support level, but CRO or the market has failed to prove basically that we are here in a bullish scenario, at least in this imminently bullish scenario where we expected a wave 3 to the upside. So this did not happen. This would have been needed, yeah, in order to maintain this particular scenario. So what we had on the chart here was a wave 1, a wave 2, here another wave 1, 2, and then we expected the wave 3 based on this scenario. Didn't happen. Does that mean we have to throw everything over here? No. It just means that possibly this wave 3 has been delayed. So let me take it off the chart for now. But just to clarify here, these movements, yeah, that I had on the roadmap here, they are what you would expect if this scenario was to play out. As they didn't play out, we take the scenario off the chart. Still though, not much has changed. What has changed though is that we can add another, and that is basically the most bullish, or one of the only bullish options that is still available here, is that we add another 1-2 setup here. But in this setup then really the market would need to move to the upside next. If it doesn't do it, then we have to play out the bearish scenario. And even now I would really only give the bullish scenario a 55% probability, basically 50-50 you could nearly say, yeah, because at the moment the situation is, due to this latest move, quite unclear. Yeah, this move was not good for crypto at all. In a bullish scenario would now expect that we've done here a wave 1, then an A, B, C, and a wave 2, and we would now go into the wave 3. But to do that, the market would now really need to push higher, would need to move above this yellow line, which I believe is the 50-day moving average, and then eventually has, and that is absolutely important, it has to move above the 16-cent level. And then, then we could expect here in the next wave up levels of around, and that is only the wave 3 in green, of around 19 cents. But don't see this as high confidence. Yeah, I will only give it a 55% probability due to the latest movements and due to the failure of really pushing higher here than the previous wave 3 low and the wave B low. That was a clear resistance level, and yeah, we bounced off that and came down quite strongly. So the bullish scenario is still possible, but only at the moment in this particular scenario here. This could also just be a corrective wave, and then we would come down once more. Yeah, at the moment, due to the overlaps, it could very well just be, yeah, you could call it a bear flag potentially. A so-called bear flag looks, let's say, more harmonic on some cryptos than on others. Here it's certainly possible. Some others it's more difficult, but yeah, this is what you could expect here in a bullish scenario. But then we should really hold this 11.6 cent level. Below that level, the bearish scenario will gain more traction and will gain more importance. In the bearish scenario, we would assume that this wave 3 really only finished down here, that all of this here currently is a wave 4, and that we are going to come once more in a wave 5, and that could take us below 10 cents, okay? Because the low here from the 19th of June was already at, yeah, around about 10 cents, just below that. So this then could be seen just as a wave 4 retracement, a corrective move. This is possible as well due to all these 1-2 setups. This is not too unlikely. And then we would be seeing now an unfolding wave 5 to the downside. Now this wave 5 also doesn't move in a straight line. You could reasonably expect that this here maybe was just a wave 1 to the downside. So basically a wave 5 in itself has 5 waves as well. So we could assume that this maybe was only the wave 1. We are now going to see a wave 2 retracement. Then we will come down in a wave 3. we will move up in a wave 4 and then come down in the final wave 5. That could, in my opinion, go all the way down to 5 cents in the worst case. And this is what we have to go with at the moment. So this 11.6 cent level is absolutely crucial. Below that, we would still have another chance to maintain the bullish scenario, in that we would see all of this just as a wave 1 with a massively overshooting wave B and then the wave C coming down. But that is getting, with those overshooting wave Bs, it's very unrealistic. But then again, we've got the 10.6 cents level next as support. And if we lose that as well, then I think we're going to go below 9.8 cent as well. Okay, and that's my quick update about Cronos, CRO. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.